Hi friends, so I hope you all are doing good. So you have already seen my first vlog, right? I know that was so random. I'm very sorry for that, but I just felt that I should make that, so I did. Okay, so after thinking continuously for 5 days, right? 5 days, I have finally decided that what my channel will be about and what will be those particular videos. The vlogs will be continued on random content because on vlogs I can never predict what I will say in my vlog, okay? But these particular videos will be very specific about the topics. So first of all, I'll give an introduction that what my channel will be about. So it's basically the idea of my videos will be about that how can you migrate from India to other countries on the basis of a study visa. Okay, and I am making this video because I hold an experience with it. Like in 2019, when I was doing my bachelor's of engineering in aerospace from Chandigarh University, in my seventh semester in 2019, I just grabbed an opportunity to go to France, and particularly if I would say Paris, the city of love, to do my semester exchange at their very good university, and the name of that university was IPSA. It's IPSA. It was situated in particularly Paris. Okay, so on that basis I'll share my experience. I hold an experience because I have applied to this country without the help of any agent or without the help of others. I just did all things by myself, and for the future also I was so much impressed from the Europe's infrastructure and everything, even their education system and everything. I just decided to do my masters also from the Europe. Okay, that I'll tell in other video, like in which country I have got admission and which country I'll be going. Okay, so right now let's focus on France. Okay, so basically the very first question, I'll just go very specific. The very first question that can come to your mind is how I decided for France. Okay, so actually my course is very uncommon in India, like if you say aerospace engineering. So I was not sure if my college will be collaborating with other countries for this particular course or not. But fortunately, I was so lucky that my international department introduced me to a course that is situated in IPSA, Paris, France. There were two more universities in other countries, but I wanted to go France because I have heard so much about Europe, heard like my relatives have gone for their trips, for their family trips. So I have, so much learned and so much heard that the Europe is very beautiful. So I just wanted to go once, and I am a, what should I say? I am a very, very, very big fan of traveling. I'm very fond of traveling. I just want to travel, 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 and never stop. Like, it's my goal to do the word travel. Okay, so that was my first step towards my goal. So I decided to go to France, and I just did all my documentation and all the formalities by myself. And I will explain each and every step that you need to cover when you are going to France. Okay, so the second question that could come to your mind is how was your experience, how much the university was, and from which university you graduated. Okay, so first of all, I really want to appreciate my university. It was Chandigarh University. It is situated in Kharad, Punjab. I know you know very well about it. It is very famous nowadays, and it deserves that particular appreciation, because that university has given me so much. The people say that you should not study in private university, it's not worth it. It's not like that. What I believe is that if you are studying and if you're graduating from a university, the 60 to 70% of role in your career is being done by you and not by your university, because you can go in every university, right? They will provide you good education, they will provide you good teachers, they will provide you good faculty, they will provide you good computer labs and each and everything, every facility will be available. But if you are not using that, if you're not using the computer, then how can that university be productive to you, right? So that university is so good. If anyone wants to take admission or wants to go in that university, they can surely go. Because, and the best part about my university is that their international department is love. You know, they give you hundreds of opportunities to get exposure for your career. The only thing that you have to do is a little bit of hard work that everyone is being afraid of, and those who do, they are, they get separated from the crowd. And I just believe that I am one of them, because I just wanted to do something unique in my college. I just didn't want to do 4 years of graduation, going to class, having lectures, giving exam, and securing good marks. No, no, no. I just want to do everything. And for your information, I have done everything. Not in that way, but I have explored my life so much, very much. Like that university experience was so good, like right now I feel like crying because I'm missing my college days so much. And this corona, they have just ruined my last year, not my everyone who were graduating in 2020, because we haven't got a chance to get a farewell or anything else. So I was so upset about that. Even our convocation was done online. Yeah, it was so unfair. Okay, so let's come to the point. Sorry, I am too much, what should I say, I speak too much. Sorry for that. So coming to the point, I was talking about how was my experience in France. The experience was so good that I cannot tell you that in words. I will just say you just go and experience that again, and do tell me if you do, okay? Because that experience will change your perspective of life. Like you will see many of things differently. Your perspective will change completely, and their culture, they are, some people are very nice and some people are very rude, like in India. So people are same everywhere, but it's so beautiful. Like every morning when I woke up in Paris, I was like, oh, I was in Paris. Oh, it's so good, that excitement that I could not believe on my eyes. Like when I picked through the window, I was like, oh, I'm in Paris. Seriously, like I was talking to myself, Rashi, you are in Paris. And when I went to Eiffel Tower, I was just about to faint. Like that is beauty. It's so adorable. Like not in the daytime, it's just a structure if you say, but if you think it from an architect perspective, then you will just love it, because it's made of so much love. But when I went there, so in the night, there is a particular lightning time of 5 minutes. In that 5 minutes, you can just live your life to the fullest. You just what should I say, all the sorrows and everything just vanishes from your brain, and you're just enjoying that moment. That is so good. ओके, सो बेसिकली क्या हुआ था, मेरा एक्सपीरियंस फ्रांस का बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा था. ओके, एंड मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा अट्रैक्शन हो गया यूरोप से, लाइक नाउ. और सबसे बड़ी बात पता है क्या है, कि आप वहाँ पे जा सकते हो, स्टडी कर सकते हो, अच्छा करियर बना सकते हो विद इन बजट. क्योंकि आई गेस आजकल हमें भी पता है कि कोरोना में इंडिया का क्या हो रहा है. एंड वी, I am not against any caste or something else, so don't mind it. But I'm just against about caste preservation. I just don't like it not because I am from a general category. I just don't like it because it's very unfair. So every population is increasing and increasing and jobs are decreasing, so everyone is migrating, right? So am I. So I just wanted to help people because I have seen in my personal life, I have had an experience like my friends are paying too much for agents, but for that information that they can get from just simply typing on the internet. So you don't have to you know waste so much of money on the agents. So for that I just took the step so that I could help the students, those who want to go abroad. I will advise, and I know that most of the your doubts will be cleared from my video. You don't have to text me or message me or text my or take my advice, because most of the doubts are cleared in this particular video. Okay, so this was my experience from France. It was very good, and in details I will make each detailed video for every particular question. And the next question that could come is that how long you thought that you would be good in that career, and what was your opinion about aerospace. So when I was in India, I'm really fascinated about aeroplanes and spacecrafts. Like, I am really into their manufacturing. Okay, not particular I would say designing, but I am so much into manufacturing. Okay, I just love to know about parts. I just love to connect them and everything else. Okay, so I have done my specialization also in structures, basically like in their manufacturing. So but when I started my college, talking to my senior, I came to know that there are not so much companies that could give you exposure in manufacturing sector. The abroad is the only option. But abroad was in my mind from the very first day of my college, because I really want to travel. Doesn't matter where, but I want to travel. Like, even I also want to travel the whole India. Like, now I think I have discovered, out of 29 states, I have discovered, I guess, 15 or 16 states. So still I am very much like, no, you have not done so much like that. So I'm very fond of traveling. Okay, so that's how I came to know about aerospace. And by going abroad, my perspective was, yes, I can do so much in this field if I work hard. Like, if you do hard work, you can get anything. That I have learned. If you have two things in your life now, first is time management, and the second thing is, if you're ready to do hard work, you can go hair to hair. And if you don't have them, then you can go hair to hair. So life goes like that. Okay, so and the fourth and very last thing that could come to your mind, it's going very long because I took long. Sorry, coming to the point. So the very last question could come like, how did you survive there? So first, I want to tell about my personal nature. I am very homesick. I am a very nostalgic person. In the first 2 weeks, I was just laying on bed. I was super ill, super sick. I could not just get rid of my bed because I was missing my home so much. Every time I just video call them, I was just crying and crying, and they were like, just book the video. Sorry. Just book the ticket for another day and come to India. And I was like, no, I don't want to come, but I don't want to stay also, because it was so, what should I say, torture for me in the starting. But slowly, when I started to discover Paris, it just took place in my heart that no one could take. I am in so much love with Paris. It was too good. The experience was too good. I survived very easily. No struggles, because the very first thing I didn't tell you that I went there on a scholarship that was given to me by the Chapak department, Chapak scholarship, Chapak exchange scholarship, between the collaboration of Indian and French government. Okay, so I'll also be covering those documents and how can you cop up with the scholarship, and how, if you are not getting scholarship, then how can you manage your particular budget. Okay, So this is all for today. I hope you will like my video, and I'm very sorry. Right now, I don't have any videos or photos from my 2019 France trip because I just got my new laptop. So everything is my previous laptop. Its hard disk were damaged. So right now it's in repair. So as soon as I get any pics or something, I will surely share that. Okay. I went there with my three classmates, so I'll share if I had any video experience or if I had any uh, photo. And still, if you want to see my France journey, I have uploaded some of my pics on my Instagram, so I will share that in the description. So in the next video, I'll be covering the documents required to apply, and like where you can ask your college if they are collaborating with other countries or not. Okay, so this will be particular about France and for the exchange program. And if you want to know if you're applying from yourself, then also I could help you. Okay, so I hope you like my video. If you do like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Thank you for listening me. Stay home, stay safe and have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.